Good morning to all of you. Welcome to IIT Madras. A special welcome to His Excellency Mr. Fabi. This is the first time he is visiting our campus. As many of you may know, we have a long relationship with Germany because Germany is a country that helped set up this institute. So every new Consul General in Chennai, we usually have a deep and very fruitful relationship. So we very glad that he's come here today to our campus, and I just invited him again for a more leisurely visit to get to know us better. Also would like to extend a special welcome to Apurva, then Dr. Voivod is of course right now faculty member here, a whole lot of other distinguished faculty and researchers who have come from different, from my own institute here as well as from my institutions in Germany and other places in India. So, and welcome, most hearty welcome to all the participants who I've just heard have come from different parts of the state and country. We can tell you from our experience that this is one of the most productive and fruitful relationships you can ever have between academics. Is a research collaborative relationship between yourself, between you as an Indian and an institution in Germany, and in particular actually between institutions here and institutions in Germany. Today we have here in the audience, we have people representing not only the organizations that make it possible for these collaborations to take place, such as DAAD and Humboldt Foundation and so on, but also the institutions which actually are among the leading ones in the world which welcome this kind of collaboration. We have here scientists from Jülich, we have from the German universities, and the Max Planck laboratories and so on. So the experience that my colleagues, I've never had the good fortune of spending some time in Germany, but I have many colleagues who have done so. I also have sent my students to collaborators of mine in Germany and received their students here. I've had German students here who have worked with me. So I can tell you from my experience that it's a terrific experience. You learn a lot, you gain a lot, you get completely transformed. In fact, one of my students who went for a semester to Germany came back and he was not the same person at all. I could make out very clearly. It's a huge change in the way he saw research, the way he approached the whole task, plus the way he actually saw himself. So, when I have been to Germany, I have visited my collaborators, I visited other places, I see a lot of people from all over the world, men and women, and I think it's a transformative experience. So please, all of you who have come here, take advantage of this day here, get to know about how you can participate in research in Germany, either by going there as a student or as a collaborator, collaborating with somebody there from your institution here and having exchange students and so on. We have a very thriving relationship in this institute with many universities in Germany. We routinely send students and also receive students from Germany here on an exchange program. With one German university, we also have a joint PhD program. But with several, we have programs where faculty members here and in Germany jointly supervise PhD students. So I should have got the exact numbers from my international office, but I think it runs in close to 60, 70 a year. And we are growing this in a very strategic way with certain universities. We have a very strong relationship with many technical universities in Germany, such as Aachen and Munich and Darmstadt. So we grow these things, we send more, we create faculty collaborations. We have right now a collaboration with the Max Planck Institute also on air quality. I think one of our faculty who works on that is here today, probably speaking later to you. We've had collaborations in physics, one of sort of boundary between physics and electrical engineering, photonics. We have a faculty member here from, just want to speak to you about it. We've had collaborations in biofuels and a whole lot of things. So there are 2-3 models. As a student, you can go there. As a postdoc, you can go there. and also today we don't have here the other side, the German students, but we're increasingly receiving more of them. They come to work here. The IGCS, Dr. Voivod told you something about it. It's an example where actually every project that is taken up, which is funded by the project itself is funded by the Department of Science and Technology in India, but every project has in it, has as the principal investigators, one or more from India, mostly at the moment mostly from IIT Madras, but that's not necessarily so, and one or more from Germany. Like Dr. Voivod, they come here for a year or two and stay here. When they are here, they are also visiting faculty here, but they are their main purpose in coming here is to work on that program. There are students from India who are working on it, there are students from Germany who are working on it. So this center focuses on research in all areas of sustainability, land use, energy, water, and so on. And this center is going to grow. So these are examples I'm giving you from simple, just mobility based, where a student goes from here or a postdoc goes from here, or vice versa, to relationships which are much more intricate, which involve two institutions, faculty from both institutions, scholars from both institutions, and you really get a completely new perspective on solutions to the problems that you're working on when such diverse people get together. And what we're finding is the gains are enormous. So all of this is possible. I think you will hear about all these different strands during the day. So please enjoy yourself. I hope you go back with very fond memories of your visit to this campus. Please come again, and I would like to wish all of you a very, very fruitful morning. I think the program ends by 2 o'clock, right? So with these words, I'd like to commend you to this workshop on research in Germany, and I'd like to thank our partners from Germany, all of them who have put this program together, for involving us. We have as I've already told you, we have a very, very long-standing relationship with Germany, and we're more than happy anytime there's a possibility for doing something together.